To see your videos on the Oculus app, start by ensuring your Oculus device is properly connected to your computer or smartphone. Open the Oculus app on your device and log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the library section where all your downloaded and purchased content is stored, including videos. In the library section, click on the Video tab to view all the videos you have stored on your Oculus device. You can browse through the list of videos or use the search function to find a specific video. Once you find the video you want to watch, click on it to open the Video Details page. On the Video Details page, you can find more information about the video, such as the description, duration, and file size. You can also see the video format and resolution, which is important to ensure it is compatible with your Oculus device. To watch the video, click on the play button. The video will start playing in the Oculus app, and you can use the controls to pause, rewind, or fast forward the video. You can also adjust the video settings, such as the brightness and volume, to suit your preferences. If you want to watch the video in virtual reality, make sure your Oculus device is properly connected to your computer or smartphone. Put on your Oculus headset and navigate to the video you want to watch. Click on the play button, and the video will start playing in virtual reality. Best practices for watching videos on the Oculus app include ensuring your device is fully charged and has sufficient storage space. You should also use a stable internet connection to prevent buffering or lagging. Additionally, make sure your Oculus device is properly calibrated and configured for the best viewing experience. By following these steps, you can easily see and watch your videos on the Oculus app. The Oculus app provides a convenient and immersive way to watch videos. And with these tips, you can get the most out of your viewing experience.